Okay, so I wanted to do a test flight outside, but it's kind of raining outside, and looking at how this thing is bare-bone and has nothing, I don't want to spoil it with water splashing on it. It's been raining a bit here, for the past couple of days, so I am hoping we can do a test flight indoors. So I'm gonna just prep this area and clear some space so that we can do the test flight from here and just hover it around a little bit. So basically doing some testing mics and trying to check everything is in place, plugged in the power. You can see it's kind of drizzling a little bit, but it's not that heavy of a rain to damage anything or stuff like that. So okay, so I have connection here, so we can try it out. Started spinning. So that was some serious crashing of the drone right there. It was crazy. At this point, I had changed to the Acrobat. I've switched from Acrobat mode to the Horizon. So it was kind of like leveling up a little bit for me. And at this point, I was like way up in the sky and then just trying to move around and see how it goes. So basically, that wasn't me doing anything special. The drone basically horizon mode hovers, not as precise as you find in maybe a DJI drone, but when you say it's should go on horizon mode, it just maintains that altitude and tries to stay level. So that's it. Actually, self-built. So this is the one I built, and it's currently flying pretty much okay. I was initially using the Acrobat mode, but I have done the settings here in such a way that I can switch to Horizon, and that's what you can see where with the Horizon mode, when I go off, like I leave the controller, it resets to a flat, horizon mode. But in the acrobat mode, if I keep going this way and I leave my controller, it's still gonna go that way, which is a little bit difficult to fly. But it's the acrobat mode, and that gets you a lot of gymnastics and stuff like that. But I'm not looking for that at the moment. Currently, the battery doesn't last long, but it's pretty nice of an experience. So let's see again. So that's it. One thing at the moment is without the goggles, you have no idea what the battery percentage is and how long it's gonna last in the air. So without those details, you might be in the air and the battery dies and you are done. So I'm just playing cautious at the moment, just trying to fly around here and figure it out. But I want to put on the goggles and also test it out and see what I find. And I'm able to see this direction because that's where the drone is. So just gonna power it up. Where's the drone? Okay, so it's very disorienting. Okay, so let me start from here. Battery is dead from the drone, so I think that should help me read the values of it, because when it goes into the lower volts, then it means it's kind of died. Well, I have no idea. So that's it with the test, and with the build I did, everything it's working fine. All the controls, the left, right, forward, back, spin around, everything is looking good. Image transmission is good. I have the on-screen display in the goggles to let me know like heat and temperature and stuff like that. All of that is cool. So at this point, the only thing left is you know, figure out the battery and how to get everything working, and be able to know exactly how much battery is left in it, and how to go about that. I also need to work around the trying to fly using the goggles, because it's really confusing, and I think it will be best if I try in an open space and be able to get my bearings and everything working fine. Other than that, this build, do-it-yourself build, is looking good and it's working fine. I need to also figure out where to put in the camera for recording. I think it can be here, but I don't have a mount to put the Osmo camera there, so we'll also look at that as well. In any case, that's it for this video. If you'd love to see more videos related to the FPV, flying this FPV, and eventually how to build it and where to get the parts and stuff like that, make sure to subscribe to this channel as well. Let me know in the comments what you like to see next, and yeah, just stay tuned. More videos related to this coming. These are early days, so it's rough for me, but I hope to pick it up pretty soon. Thanks for joining me in this one, and we'll catch you in the next. Bye.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Please support me in making more videos like this with the link in the description below.